Guys, this is another episode of free online courses, and this time around it is Alison free online courses. This is their interface. My name is Mayo, and in this video I'll be showing you several courses that are available on Alison platform. The URL for this platform is alison.com/courses. So Alison has over 2,000 high quality courses available across 9 distinct categories, all absolutely free to complete. Can you imagine? So don't dull yourself. So let's dive into this video. So you can see there's first grade, second grade, third grade. I don't even know what this means. Let's just go. So there are about 1,339 free online courses here on Alison platform. This is advanced diploma, intellectual property rights and competition law, whatever it is. So let's just start. When you click on start, okay, let's just exit this ad. Let's exit ad. Okay, I've clicked on start. This one is advanced diploma, like we saw earlier. So the course is this free online course will introduce you to the ever evolving technology driven aspect of intellectual property rights and competition law. This course describes the conflict between the domain of IPRS and competition. If you're interested in this course, all you have to do is just to sign up for this course. You just click on start course now. Once you click on start course now, and it will take you to another interface where you will start the course. You will register with either Facebook, Google, or Microsoft, or LinkedIn, or continue with Yahoo, whatever it is you want to start up, and your email and password. You can register with your email and password. Then if you had already signed up, then you log in. You just log in through the process. So that's how it is. Let's just go back and check other courses that are available on this platform for free. A lot of people don't know there are actually courses online that are for free on different platforms. This one is advanced diploma computer vision. This one is advanced diploma in wastewater treatment and recycling. I don't even know what that means. This one is global marketing research and strategies. This one is economic growth and development, inequality and human development. You can actually learn WordPress on this website too. I did one WordPress course, but I didn't finish the course because I was doing other courses online. I couldn't meet up with the course. But this website is actually good, and their certificate is boom. They are for free. This one is diploma in ethical hacking. If you are interested in hacking, guys, good hacking. No, don't go and hack other people's website. Like lately, I've been seeing people trying to hack my website from here and there. I'm like, even from outside country. Can you imagine trying to hack my sweat? I thank God I have a well-struck plugin that is helping me to block this malware plugin that is blocking all those hackers. Can you imagine? This one is advanced diploma in basic electrical circuit. This one is advanced diploma in brain and behavior. This one is advanced diploma in mechanics of machine. This one is introduction to soil and science technology. You can visit several courses that are for free here. For free. Okay, let's check. Advanced diploma in production and operation management. This one is advanced diploma in financial management for managers. This one is diploma in fundamentals of artificial intelligence. Okay, there's another thing I want to show you. Let's see their certificates. Let's see their certificates here. How it will look like when you take their certificates. Okay, Alison certificate courses are a range of free online courses and courses that are designed to provide training that has streamlined and to the point of possibility. Okay, apply December. Learn data science in a completely free course built by the data incubators. Okay, let's just go up. Network and security core IT skills. Okay, the certificate. This is okay. Microsoft Excel 2013 for beginners. Oh, if you don't know how to use MS Word and you are in this country, you don't know how to use MS Word, you better go for this course. So this course is actually for you. A lot of people don't know how, especially when you're in the accounting field, you don't know this course. In fact, any field, you should be able to use MS Word successfully. And this one is computing, networking, digital networking, security. Okay, protecting a website or whatever it is. Fundamental of human computer information retriever. This is Alison ABC IT computer training suits. Okay, if you have not been trained on the basics and other things, or how to use a computer, okay, you have to learn this course. You don't know how to use computer, hey, you have to learn this course, because you might actually need it for your next profession or for your present profession. This one is iPhone app development. What? iPhone app development. I think I need to. It's just I'm not a science student, so I need to know this course. This one will fetch me money. They can hire me from other countries to come and develop iPhone. Kai. This one is computer networking, local area network, and the OSI model. Okay. So it's wide area network and networking services and security device. This one is VPA for beginners. I don't even know what that means. VPA. This is data analysis with tables and pivot table. If you're an accounting student, you need to know pivot table. Pivot table, lookup. You need to know all those things because they are accounting terminologies. You will need them. Microsoft Word 2013 beginner. Okay, we've seen this one. Okay, let's just go down. Okay, this one is IT courses. Those ones are IT courses. This one is math courses. So core math skills, calculus, probability, statistics, algebra, geometry, series and sequences, exam prep. So if you are interested in the maths kind of person, so you would want to check out one of these courses. Algebra and mathematics revised, foundation diploma in mathematics, science, technology, engineering revised, geometry, angles, shapes and area revised. Okay, this one is probability and chance in mathematics revised. Okay, before we continue, if you have any course that you have in mind and you can't find in all the platforms that I've shared, and you really want to do that course that much, is very important to you, but you don't have the money to do it, you can just tell me the course in the comment below so that I can help you go online, search for where you can see it online and do a video about the course. And don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe button so that when I release a new course or when I eventually get that course, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, let's check this mathematics course. This one is Strand 1 Living Certificate, Ordinary Level Probability and Statistics Revised. Okay, this one is Stand 1 Junior Certificate, Ordinary Level okay, whatever that is. This one is Humanity courses. These courses have certificates that you will get at the end of your studies. So you can humanity, economics, politics, sociology, personal development, whatever it is. So general data protection regulation, fundamental of storytelling education for teachers and trainers. Oh, if you're a teacher, that's for you. Fundraising for non-profits. If you want to raise fund and you want to know, this one is by Stanford University. This one is by University of North Carolina. Okay, this one is advanced learning. Okay, this one is Stanford University. Okay, there's some that are for other universities here too. Okay, this one is finance, human resources, tourism and hospitality. If you are e-commerce, entrepreneurship, any courses you want to do here, just come to I will leave the URL in the description below so that when you want to do the course, all you have to do is to click on the link and it will take you directly to Alison page, Alison platform, where you will do the course for free, register for free and get certified. Okay, we have come to the end of the video and see you next time.